Hi, I'm Justin from UTS Careers. Today I'm going to walk you through how to post a job opportunity on Careerhub. Once you log into the employer console, select the option Post a Job. This is where you can post any job opportunity that you currently have at your organisation and reach up to 70,000 students, including alumni. The opportunity title, in my case, I am wanting to recruit a HR intern. The administrative contact will be myself. The application closing date for this particular role will be March the 23rd. The number of positions available is 1. The contract type is permanent, with the hours being part-time. The expected date I would like them to commence is the 4th of April 2020. The salary, $25 per hour. You'll then come to the location section. The country is Australia, the state is New South Wales, and the city is Sydney. Click Add. Something I've prepared a little bit earlier is my job ad. In the summary, this is displayed in the search results to our students. You want it short, sharp, and punchy. In the details section, this is what you want to include around the role requirements, any duties, responsibilities, working hours, etc. Residency requirement, in my case, I am wanting all candidates considered, including international students. The application procedures will be, I want them to apply via the link on my website. Select Save and Continue. This is where you'll then open up this page, have a review of your ad, check for any spelling mistakes, etc. Then click this box. I understand that I cannot edit the job after publishing. Select Next. The type of work. In this case, it is an internship. Select Next. Then choose the occupation. In my case, this is a HR and recruitment role. Next. Campuses, UTS. Step 5, select any relevant work groups for this opportunity. I would like this, in my case, to go to the Careers Business Development team. Once you have selected the next step, it will come up Publication. I would like it to be published live immediately after it's approved. Select Submit. What will happen now is that we'll go through to a recruitment administrator here at UTS for approval. Please allow up to 2 to 3 working days. If for some reason you haven't heard from us, feel free to drop us an email. And there you have it, how to submit a job opportunity with us here at UTS.